we'll discuss the answers for this. Right, boys? Okay, we can just go on discussing the answers for all these questions. Right. We can start with the first one. Yes. Are you able to answer the
Sir,
first one? What is there?
first
Yes.
one, option C, sir.
What is the answer there?
Option C, sir. Describe
Option C.
about it. Together it
You are
will come.
absolutely. Yes. What should be the answer there? To describe,
Only describe the incident.
describe the incident.
Describe the incident.
The incident. See, he narrated the episode or he narrated what had happened. So he narrated the incident. We use that way. So he described the incident. So there are many such verbs where we do not use prepositions. And remember one thing, preposition is very, very important. So which particular preposition should come with which particular verb, that also you should know. So you have to study about that. That is very important here. As you said that here in the case of describe, yes, what should not be there? Yes, you are told that what should not be there, about should not be there. Okay,
About
this
should.
about preposition should not come with describe. That is what you should remember. So there are many. So whenever you are looking for such kind of examples in the UPSC, you have to look at which particular preposition is used there. So then what will happen? Your focus will be to find out the error. It will be easier for you to find out the error. The teacher called Ravi. Now here see, the teacher called Ravi. Probably you are familiar, no? He said to, but when we are using told, we are not using preposition to. He said to Ravi. The teacher said to Ravi. The teacher called Ravi. Yes, and asked him. See, in the case of asked also we are not using to, but we are using to preposition in the case of said. He asked him, he requested him. We are not using any preposition there. But when we are using said, we are using preposition to. So that is what you should be able to know that. The teacher called Ravi and asked him. See, here also no preposition have been used to describe the incident. To describe the incident. I hope it's quite clear to you. So whenever you are looking this kind of example, look for the preposition. And we can focus more on the preposition here. Okay, let's go to the next one now. They shouted on the top of their voice. They shouted on the top of their voice. So what should be the answer there? They shouted on the top of their
No
voice.
errors.
Yes, no error. Okay, here the error
Yes.
is shout at. He was shouting at him. He was shouting at him. So with that particular verb, what preposition you should use? That you should know. He was shouting at him. So he was shouting at the top of his voice. So we use that way. No, he was shouting at the top of his voice. They shouted at the top of their voice. So that is why it's very important here. Particularly, we are focusing more on the preposition in this particular example. So I thought, okay, I'll take up those kind of exercises where we can focus on particular thing. So here more examples are there where we are focusing on preposition. So so what will be the answer here? Shouted at. Hmm? So shouted at the top of their voice. So shouted at the top of their voice. I hope it's quite clear to you. So error is there. So that's why it all appears it's quite easy.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to next one now. You should not violate against the rules laid down by the institution. Yes.
You should not violate
Sir,
the
Ah,
rules.
option B, sir. Violate against. Do that not.
violate against. What should be the there? You should not
Violate or
violate.
Violate the rules.
He violated the rules. You are familiar with
The
that particular
rules.
sentence. He violated the rules. So against should not be used. What should not be used? Against should not be used. Okay. So you can find here most of those examples are there where preposition they are related to preposition. Okay. Okay. Right. Meanwhile, you can just look for the yes. Next one, you can just look for that example. which is that his grandmother has taught him to pray God daily. So where is the error here? His grandmother has taught him to pray God daily. Yes.
Sir,
Just think
to
over it.
pray to God.
Where the error is. See here in the case of taught him. See, we are not using any preposition. It's correct, no, has taught him. So in the case of teach also, he was teaching him. So he taught him.
See, sir, to pray
Uh,
to God.
to
Sir,
pray
C
to God.
options.
Yes. C option. So here, what is omitted here? Yes. So right.
To pray.
Right. So pray to
To
God.
pray
What
to
is
God.
there? Pray to God. You are absolutely right. So pray to God. So here two prepositions should come there. Pray to God. You pray to God. You often pray to God, isn't it? Now here, let's go to next one now. I promptly answered to his questions. Yes. See, these are all simple examples, but you have to remember those sentences. Can you just tell what is the answer here? I promptly answered to his questions. Yes. Yes. What is the answer? Ah, right, Kaushal, tell. Yes? B, right. So here, see, he answered the questions or he questioned him. In the case of answer, in the case of question, we are not. Yes? Yes, somebody is saying something? Yes? So in the case of answered, we should not use any preposition. Okay? In the case of answered, we should not use any preposition there. Right? So answered or questioned, he questioned him, he interrogated him. In that case, we are not using any preposition. Okay? Now let's move on to the next one now. Right? Shall we move on to the next? Can you just tell what is next now? The warrior fell from his horse. It's correct, no? Yes. Do you feel that there's anything, any error there? Yes.
No,
Huh?
sir.
Right?
No, sir.
No error. Okay. Here there's a see. He got off the horse. We say he got off the horse. He fell off the horse. So he fell off his horse. So actually, this is what we use in spoken language. But traditional grammar says, see, they don't follow what is there in spoken language. So it should be fell off his horse or got off his horse. We don't say he got down from his horse. We say that he got off the horse. Okay, right? So fell off his horse. So that is what you have to look for. Fell off, O double F. Off, got off, O double F, got off. So the warrior fell off his horse. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, seventh one. He reminded me my childhood days. Yes. What is the answer here? Can you just tell
Sir,
what is the
B
answer there?
option, sir.
Me, my
Right.
Option B, sir.
Option B. He reminded
Of
me
his ometers.
of, yes, of his
Of my
very
child.
So all these are prepositions what we are looking for. So prepositions are very, very important. Okay. He reminded me, reminded of, accused of. So reminded me of. So with remind, what we use usually of. Okay. He reminded of, but he remembered me. See, in the case of remembered, but here he reminded me of my childhood days. Okay. Now next one. You cannot prevent me to go there. Right. Can you just tell what is the answer there? You cannot prevent, yes, you cannot prevent me to go there. What is the answer there?
No errors.
No error.
No
See,
errors.
okay, whenever
No
you are
error,
using
sir.
prevent or yes, in the case of this, when you are using avoid or when you are using prevent, then in that case here it will be ing form. Okay, you cannot prevent me going there. You cannot prevent me going there. So here you have to use ing form. What should be used? Ing form. In the case of some of these, we'll be using ing form. So to go will not come when you are using prevent the verb. So it has to be ing form. So therefore there is error there. So it all appears, it's all correct, but you see here how many mistakes we have been committing there. So prepositions you have to study further. Maybe I'll just give maybe you can go through that pathfinder and list of them. You can remember that, like accused of murder. No, with accused, what preposition should come? That you should remember that. Applied for a job. Applied for a job. So applied for a job. That you should be able to remember that. So that is what is very important. Okay, now let's move on to the next one now.
On which
What is there? At the gate was hung a wooden board on which was written, "Beware the danger." Yes, I think you are familiar with this. Quite often.
option C, sir.
Option C. Option C. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is that?
C, sir.
Yes.
What is that? What should be the answer? Option C. On which was written. That is not the right answer. Probably you must have seen the board. In the cities and all. You must have seen the board. What? Beware of the dogs.
Be aware of the dangers.
Right off, aware of, beware of. So yes.
But
So what should come?
then
Beware
on the
of.
board,
So here error is in D. Okay,
then on
error is in D. Beware of. Beware of the danger. So what should come with that? That you should be able to remember. But C part, nothing wrong with that. At the gate was hung a wooden board. So you hang a person, hanged, but you hung a board. So it's fine. Then on which was written, beware the, on which it was written, that's fine. If it is omitted, that is also fine. Okay, beware of the danger. There's no problem. Sometimes we can omit even that, right? This and quite often we omit even. Yes, current quote. This is not sixth class. Next period is there. You must be having some other period. Okay, current. Current, don't join this period. This is meant for 12th class. Sandeep. Yes, Sandeep. No, this current code is from 6th class. Yes. Right. I'm just
Yes,
going
sir.
ahead. Right. Yes, Sandeep. So see, this period is there of 6th class. So maybe, yes. Okay.
Which question, sir?
You are from which class? Who is speaking? Yes. Who is speaking? Right. Let's move on to the 10th one. Shall we go to the 10th question now? Yes, this article was prepared by their own expense. Yes, this article was prepared by their own experience. Yes, what should be the answer here? This article was prepared, yes, by their own expense. What should be the answer? Can you just tell? What should be the answer? Yes, who wants to tell the answer? This article was prepared.
we
Yes.
prepared from, sir.
Prepared at their own expense.
Prepared
That
on
is
their
their
own
own expense.
expense.
We quite often use
Option B.
at their own
Prepared
expense.
by, sir.
No, not prepared
No
by.
error.
Prepared by a person. See, by
He,
will come when you use by a person. Okay, so this article was prepared by him, but prepared at their own expense. So here, at their own expense is there. So in that case, what we have to use? We have to use at. Prepared at their own expense, because at their own expense, we use that. Now he's angry and indifferent to me. So here, yes, he's angry and indifferent to me. See here, can you just tell where is the answer? Yes, which one? There is an error. Can you tell? So it should be he's angry. Yes, I think there's some problem, network problem. Yes, it's showing some network problem. Okay. Are you able to hear me? Yes, boys? Are you able to hear? Okay, okay, boys. Think some net issue. Okay, don't worry. What I'll do, I'll just go out and. Are you able to hear now? Yes, Vikas.
Now we are able
Fine.
to hear.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Now
Right.
we are
sir.
able.
Okay. Right. There must have been some little bit problem, but doesn't matter. Now, once again. Okay, very good. Right. Let's go to the next one. He is angry with. What will come there? Is angry with and indifferent to me. Okay. You are angry with a person, but you are angry at something. Okay. You are angry with a person. So he is angry with me, but you are angry at something. Okay, see, it will depend, the preposition will depend upon what is going to follow that. Okay, so that's what you should be aware. Right, he's indifferent to me. Right, okay, we'll move on to the next one now. See, if anybody from 6th class has joined this class, you better go out of the class and join your class. Okay, let's go to next one now. We are moving on to the next question, number 12 now. He signed upon the application form. Can you tell me the answer for this? He signed upon the application form. Okay, there's some problem. Karan Koth left the. Okay, if there's an error, what I'll do? Yes. If there's some audio problem, yes, okay, I'll just stop my video. Right? Darshan, sir, okay. Repeat, sir, okay. If you are able to hear that, he signed upon the application form. He signed upon the application form. Are you able to hear? Yes, boys?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes,
able
sir.
to hear. Right. He signed upon the application form. So what should be the answer there? Can you just tell? Yes, he signed
On the
upon the
application funds.
Huh?
B
See,
options
yes.
are on the application.
No. See, he signed the application form.
He
He
signed
signed the
up the
application form. There
application.
is no need of any yes. There is no need of any preposition there. He signed the application form, right? Okay. Upon actually we use when there is a movement and all. So it is not right at all. Okay. Upon is not right at all. So it has to be he signed the application form. That will be right. Okay. Right. Next, we'll go to the next one now. I was going to school when in the way I met an old man. So what is the answer here? I was going to school when in the way I met an old man. Can you just tell what is the answer for this? I was going to school when in the way I met an old man. Yes? Yes, boys?
On the way, sir.
Huh? What is the answer?
On the way, sir.
On the way. Yeah, you are right. So I
On
see
the way.
often we use no on the way. I'm on the way. Sir, I'm on the way. Often we use that. So it should be on the way. Right? I was going to school when on the way I met an old man. Absolutely right. That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Next one. I don't think I have any use of this book. I don't think I have any use of this book. Tell. What is the answer here?
No errors.
No error. Yes? There is. Okay. So what is the error there? Yes. What is the error there? Yes, boys. Are you able to hear me? Yes.
No error. No error.
You are right. No error there. Okay. There's no error because can you just see here? Right. So there's no error. Okay. We'll move on to next. Where are we? Right. I don't think I have any use of this book. Right. They went on one side of the road. They went on one side of the road. Can you just tell where is the error here? Yes. They went. Right. They went to one side of the road. What is the error here? They went to.
On one side.
They went to one side of the road. They went to one side of the road. Okay. Next. Can you just tell next one? Yes, boys. Next one. He ascended to the throne at the early age of 10. He ascended to the throne at the early age of 10. Yes. What will be the error there? Yes.
To the throne, sir.
Ascended
To the throne.
to
Throne should be removed, sir.
Is wrong. You are absolutely right. To the throne
To
is
the
wrong.
throne, sir.
So it should be he
B2
ascended
should be
the throne.
removed.
He ascended the throne. Okay. So it should be he ascended the throne. Okay. I advised to him to do this work. Yes. I advised to him
I
to do this
advise.
work.
In B2
I
should be removed,
advise
sir.
him to do this work.
I advised him. I requested him. Very good. I advised him. I requested
To him. To him, sir.
So
To him.
is wrong. Counseled him. Remember this. So I counseled him. We are using preposition there. Okay. We are not using any preposition there. Right. He's a lovable person, but what makes most people dislike him is that he boasts his wealth. So, what should be the answer here? Yes, we are looking for preposition. So, see here, I'll just give you a clue. There's a preposition missing here. Where that preposition should come? He's a lovable person, but what makes most people
No
dislike
error.
him? No error. See, there is an error here. That is, he boasts his wealth. He boasts of his wealth. Boasts of. Okay. And you need a clue that one preposition you have to use there. So there is an error here in the case of this C. Okay. Right. We'll go to the next one now. Question number 18. Yes. The teacher ordered the students to open page 10. So here also there is a error here. Can you just tell? So there is a preposition which should be used here. So there is a spelling mistake here. Students, doesn't matter. So the teacher ordered the students. Okay. No audio? Can you just tell? Okay, right. Yeah, network issue. Yes. Are you able to hear now? Yes. Yes.
Sir, 18th on repeat, sir.
18th one. See here, he boasts of his wealth. He boasts
Yes.
of his wealth. And remember here, what preposition we use with that particular verb, that you should remember. Okay, like we used accused of murder, right? Similar way here, boasts of his wealth. We'll move on to the next one now. The teacher ordered the students to open page 10. So here you have to insert the preposition. You have to insert the preposition. Yes?
Page number 10.
Page number 10. Okay. It's a see, number is not a preposition. Open at page 10, right? Open at page 10. So you have to look for the preposition there, right? We'll move on to the next one. Now here we can you just go to the next now? What is the next one? I'm angry with your rude behavior. See, I'm angry with you. But what will come here with this? I'm angry. Yes, what should come there?
On your rude behavior.
Angry of.
Angry
On your
of.
rude behavior.
Remember here,
On
angry with a person, fine. Angry with a person is fine, but I am angry at his rude behavior. I'm angry at what? I'm angry at his rude behavior. So what should come with angry? At should come. Right? What should come with angry?
Sir, on your
At
rude
should come.
behavior.
Are you able to hear?
Yet.
There's no problem.
On
Yes?
your
At.
come, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
angry
Yes, sir.
at. Okay? I'm angry at his rude behavior. So when a person is there
On your
in this,
rude behavior won't come, sir.
What? I think okay. There's some still right. Tell. Yes. Yes, Rakesh.
On your rude behavior won't come, sir.
Yes,
On
I'm
your rude
angry at
behavior.
your rude behavior. You said something. I'm angry at. What should not come? What should come? You are saying
On, sir. On your
on.
rude behavior.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can you just repeat?
Yes. I'm angry on your rude behavior won't come, sir.
Right. No. See here, we are not using on this preposition with angry. It will never come. So okay, you are angry at something. You are angry at something and you are angry with someone. So either with you have to use or at you have to use. Only these two prepositions you should use. You are not angry on something. Okay, that's wrong. In spoken language, if we are using, that's wrong. We have to use either angry at, you are angry at his behavior, but you are angry with a person. That you remember, only with and at. Okay, now we are moving on to very important one, that is he left to Bombay this morning for some official work. Yes? Can you just tell that? This is a very, very important one. He left to Bombay this morning for some official
Yes,
work.
sir.
Huh?
He left to
Yeah.
Bombay.
So he left. Tell, correct.
To
You are
Bombay.
absolutely right. What should come? He left. What
For
should come?
Bombay.
He left
Yes.
force.
For, sir.
What? Yes?
For.
He left
He left
For.
Bombay.
He left for. It will be always he left for. What will be there?
Yes.
It will always be left for. Okay? It is always left for Bombay. Left for. Leave for Bombay. Okay, this example quite often it has come in the exam. So he left for Bombay. So this is a very, very important one. Usually we think he left to Bombay. No, he left for Bombay. This example is very important. We'll go to the next one now. I gave him a gun. Yes, I gave him a gun to shoot.
No error, sir.
See here, I gave him a gun to shoot with. Actually, it should be, the preposition should be, I gave him a gun to shoot with. Okay, I gave him a gun to shoot with. Right? Okay, I'll just try
Yes,
to,
sir.
okay. We'll see some more examples here. Right. Right. So, yes. Right. Here, can you just tell the answer for this? Right. We'll go to question number 23. Yes.
But could find no useful clues.
Huh?
But could find no useful clues, sir.
But could find no. See, the police, remember one thing, I'm just giving you a clue. Always look for preposition in this kind
Sir,
of
remove into
examples.
in B, sir.
Error is in B because the police investigated the case. Investigated into will not come. The police investigated the case. I hope it's clear to you. Always look for prepositions. I have been telling you that.
Yes, sir.
Always look for the preposition. Investigated the case. You should, as you go on reading more and more newspapers, it will be clear to you. Children must obey to the orders of the elders. Yes, what should be the answer here? Children must obey. I'm just, okay, let me also read. Children must
In B, sir,
obey.
Obey
remove
to the orders is
Uh,
wrong.
Obey the orders.
obey. So
To
what
the
should
order
be
is
the
wrong.
obey?
Obey the orders.
Orders.
The
Obey
orders.
the order
See,
directs.
obey the orders. Right. Obey the orders. Very good. Now you are able to give the answer. Okay. Now your answers are also correct. Obey the orders. Children must obey the orders of their elders. Now we'll move on to the next one now. Having resigned from his job, Mr. Kulkarni left the town. We are coming here to the 25th one. So having now here obeyed the orders, you know that. Investigated into the case, that's also wrong. So investigated the case, obey the orders. So you are learning many verbs. What preposition should come with the verbs that you are learning here. Okay, having resigned from his job, Mr. Kulkarni left the town.
He resigned his job.
Having resigned his job. So there's no need of, this.
From is no needed, sir.
Preposition after.
Okay. Right. Very good. Now you are able to give correct answers now. I requested him to listen what I said and work accordingly. I requested him. Yes. I
To
requested
listen
him.
what I said.
I requested him to listen to what I said. I requested him to
B, sir.
listen to what I said. So B
What
is
I
the
said.
right answer here. Okay. Next one, 27th one. Shall we go to 27th one? Okay. Yes. Can you give the answer for 27th one? Right. Try this 27th one. I'm content. Yes.
To
Yes.
what I have. In B,
Ah.
sir, to what to
No
have.
error, sir. 27th.
No error. Yes.
I am content to what I have.
I'm content to
To.
what I have. I'm content with. I'm contented with. Satisfied with. I'm content with what I have. So for will not come. I'm content for wrong. I'm content with what I have. I'm contented with. I'm satisfied with. So with satisfied, with contented, will use with. So that is what you should remember. With what we use, that you should remember. So contented with, we quite often use. So remember that with content, what will come? With will come. Now let's move on to the next one now. Shall we go to the next one now? Yes. Under such circumstances, you should guard from danger. No error. Under such circumstances, you should guard from danger. Yes?
B, sir, you should.
What is B? Under
Yes,
such
sir.
circumstances, you should guard.
From the.
So you should guard against danger. See, guard against danger. See, something negative he warned against. So guard against. This is
C,
how
sir.
we
C.
use. So danger is there. So guard against danger. So C is the right answer. Under such circumstances, that's right. Absolutely right. You should guard against danger. Okay. Okay.
Do to me, sir.
Will you
29th.
do?
Do me
Right.
will come.
So 29th, what will come here?
Do
29th, can you
me.
just tell me? Will you?
Will
Do
you do
me,
me a favor?
Do me a
not
favor.
to.
We use it. Will you do me a favor? We use that, isn't it? You are
Yes,
absolutely
sir.
correct. So that is correct. Will you do me a favor? And very happy that now you are looking for the preposition. And this is what we require, you to do that. And if you are able to do that, definitely what your score will be very good in your examination. Okay? Right? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me
Yes,
a
sir.
favor? So here, what is wrong here? 2 is wrong here. Right? 2 is wrong here. So guard against danger. Remember that. Content with very important one. Contented with, satisfied with, very important one. We'll move on to the next one now. As soon as the curtain rose, so what should come here? As soon as the curtain rose. Last one we'll take up here. Yes. Uh, as soon as the curtain rose, the spectators got up on their seats to have a better view of their beloved leader.
From their seats, sir.
From
In
their
C,
seats.
from the.
Oh, got up in their seats. See, they are getting up. They are there, sitting there in their seats. Not they are not standing on their seats, right? Otherwise, when you
Yes,
say
sir.
on their seats, it's standing on their seats. They are they are getting up in their seats. Okay, they got up in their seats, so it should be in their seats, right? As soon as the
Yes,
curtain
sir.
rose, the spectators got up in their seats to have a better view of their beloved leader. I hope it's quite clear to you. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we'll see some more examples. Yes.
Last 2 minutes left, sir.
Tell me. Yes, Kaushal.
Time over, sir.
Time over. Okay. It doesn't matter 1 minute. Yes, if anything is to be told, yes, you can ask me. Anything you want me to, yes, tell me all that. Yes.